Entelechy-2.5KWh Powerwall battery. Has unique appearance design. Available in vertical and wall-mounted styles. Smart BMS Ford safer and more compatible, can adapt to different solar inverters. Use the color LED screen. Use brand new grade A LiFePO4, more than 6,000 cycles. Built-in Bluetooth function, allowing viewing a battery status through the mobile phone app. Semi-automated high-standard production line ensures stable quality and superior performance of Powerwall. Entelechy, power your life with green energy.